Alright, can anyone hear me? If you'll just comment. If anyone can hear me, just comment. If anyone can hear me, just comment that you can hear, so I can start. Just comment if you can hear me. Alright, good. Glad someone can hear me. I'm going to let some people in the break get on. Let's see. Chi-Town, if you're on here, will you comment? Wheeler, if you're here, will you comment? Midwest, if you're here. Okay, Wheeler, you're good. Just gonna wait for these two guys, because I know they're definitely on. Midwest and Chi-Town, please comment. I want to start this thing. Alright, they're not commenting. Alright, for the second time, I'm just going to go ahead and start. This is JC Sports Cards 2014 Bowman Platinum Blaster Box Break through Instagram. And I guess we're ready to go. I still have the box sealed, as you can probably see. Straight from eBay. See if I can get this thing up. Lots of padding. Like it. Let's get all this stuff out here. There we go. Can y'all see that? Alright. B-ball, that was me getting off. I just wanted to do a few things before I started. Sorry if y'all thought it died or something. But, alright, here we go. Really hope we get a hit. Now I'm going to do a giveaway in the middle of this. Just FYI. So I'll probably stop halfway through. There's the box. Nothing else in there. Alright, let's do it. Wow. Alright. See. Franco. Kingham. Y'all see that? Let me scoot back. I'll show the first one again. Franco. Kingham. Chris Davis. And the insert Gio Gonzalez. See. Stratton. Visciano. Robbie Cano. Finally, a die cut. Miguel Cabrera. And I always do the wrong side first. I don't know why. Oh, man. Alright. Stevenson. Lucas Sims. I'm not even going to try to pronounce his name. Then die cut. Heenley, maybe? The Marlins. Anyone knows who that is? Alright. How many has that been? Alright, we got 5 left. I'll do this one, then I'll do the giveaway. Dominic Smith. Austin Meadows. Bryce Harper. And Felix Hernandez. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and do a giveaway here. Just since there's not that many cards. Alright. I'm going to give away a Prism football card here. And I'm going to use the randomizer. Let's see. Can you see that? Someone comment if you can see. This is the dice, by the way. Since I don't have a real one. Alright. So I'm going to hit this twice. Then that will be the amount of times we do the randomizer. 1 and 2. Well, we're only going to do it once. Alright. Alright. This is the card randomizer. Which card you're going to get, and then I'll do who it's going to after I do this. Alright. One time. Here we go. Frank Gore. Bring that a little closer. Frank Gore at the top there. Now we'll see who it's going to. Alright, we're going to do this one time. Just like on the other thing. Alright, here we go. Midwest. I think you're on here. You're gonna... I'll send that top loaded to you. Oh, Instagram stuff. Alright. I guess I'll do another giveaway at the end. But Midwest, you're getting a Frank Gore. Top loaded. Alright, let's finish. Let's break 4 packs left. Addison Russell. I really like that dude. It's pretty good. Raul Mondesi. Mike Trout, or whoever had the Angels there. And John Ryan Murphy. I'm a Yankees fan, so I like him. Ooh, getting out pretty fast. Alright. Austin Hedges. Oh, I don't know how to say his name. Berrios, maybe, from the Twins. Jason Kipnis. And Matt Harvey. Two more left. Maybe we can get auto here. Got a 50% success rate with Platinum getting a hit. So, I don't know. Let's see. Aaron Sanchez. Insert of Andrew Susac, maybe. Yu Darvish. And Anthony Rizzo. And the whatever that's called. I'll throw that in with someone. Last pack. Luis Heredia, maybe? I don't know. Clint Frazier. Ooh, that's numbered. I don't think I've ever seen one numbered. It's out of 50. If y'all, let me see. How can I show this? Can y'all see that? It's out of 50. I don't know. You probably can't see it. It's pretty blurry. But it is indeed out of 50. Kevin Gossman. And finally, Jake Marisnick, rookie. And yeah, that's it. That's it for the break. And I'll do one more giveaway. We'll do another Prism. If I can find that phone. Alright. We'll go back to the die. Let's see. Get it in focus a little. Alright. I'll hit this twice. Is it 2? And that's a 6. We'll be randomizing 6 times. Yeah, let me go the other randomizer. Alright. I'll do this 6 more times. So I'll have a total of 7 on there for anyone who can see that timestamp. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. It says 6 since we did it once before. And last time, let's see, Willis McGahee, And let me get a little closer. Louis McGahee. And it should say 7 down there. It does. And then I'll go to the... Man, I do that every time. Alright. We'll see who it's going to. We'll hit this 6 more times. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. And this is it. CRW Mustang. Let me get that a little closer where you can see it. You'll be getting a Louis McGahee top loaded. Alright. That concludes the break. Hope everyone enjoyed. I'll try to get it up on YouTube. I don't know if I'll be able to, but it'll be in my archives for this channel. So, thanks again. Might try another break sometime. And